So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Lexotanil, that is bromazepam. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Lexotanil and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is bromazepam. It is a 3 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Roche. Bromazepam here belongs to the benzodiazepine class. It is used in the treatment of anxiety. It produces calming effect, means it calms the patient, and also it is used to treat insomnia and it can induce sleep. It is also used to treat and decrease tension and agitation, which is the irritability and other kind of symptoms. So it's a very good and effective medicine. So now let's discuss its side effects. It can cause drowsiness, dizziness, sedation, and also can reduce thinking ability. It can also cause ataxia, means the patient can have difficulty in walking and also in balancing the body. It can also cause tiredness, and especially a side effect of bromazepam is that it can cause impairment of memory, means it can cause memory impairment, and it can also cause headache, which is the pain in head. If it is taken in a wrong way or used for a prolonged period of time, then it can cause anxiety too. It can also cause confusion. It can also cause behavioral changes. It can cause aggressiveness, agitation, hallucination in patients. Hallucinations are those things which do not exist in reality. The patient hears or sees things which do not exist in reality. If it is taken in high doses or used for a prolonged period of time or used in a wrong way, means in which condition it is not indicated or any kind of wrong practice, it can cause extreme sedation and drowsiness, which is very dangerous. If patient is driving or working with a heavy machinery, so it may harm the patient and also his work. So the patient or anybody who is using it, you have to be very careful about it. It can also lead to slurred speech, means patient can't speak clearly or has difficulty in speaking. It can also cause loss of muscle control, means the patient cannot control its muscle movement. It can also affect patient's breathing rate, means it decreases it and cause a low breathing rate, which is also very dangerous and can lead to death if it worsens too much. It can also cause confusions and difficulty in thinking and decision making, as it affects the brain. So all the brain activities can be affected by it and can lead the patient to coma if used in a high doses. That's why it is a prescription drug, means it is given only on prescription, because it has some dangerous side effects as it belongs to benzodiazepine class. So benzodiazepine class have a narrow therapeutic index, means it can achieve its toxic level rapidly and can affect the patient and can cause adverse effects, side effects that are which are very lethal. So it can also cause hepatomegaly, means it can increase the liver. It also has effects on the sexual behavior of the patient, means it can decrease libido, which is the desire of sex, and it can also cause erectile dysfunction in males. So it also affects sexually too. So that's why the pharmacist and physician suggest you to use it carefully. Okay. So now the question arises that if there are so much side effects of this medicine, then why we are using it? Because it is a very good medicine, and also these benzodiazepine class are the only medicines which we can use to induce sleep or use to decrease anxiety. That's why currently it is effective, that's why we are using it, and overall it's a very good and effective medicine. The side effects we have got here are from the clinical data, means patient felt these side effects and they reported it. So it's not necessary that you have all these side effects. Okay, you may have some or you may have all of them. So that's why use it carefully and do not use it without consulting your physician and pharmacist. So that's for today. For more details about its medicine, its drug interactions, contraindications, and its more side effects, so for all of the details, you can consult a pharmacist for it. Okay, and do not use it without consulting your physician. So that's for today. May Allah heal you soon and may Allah cure your disease. Amen. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine, write in the comment section. And if you want to buy this medicine, please write in the comment section also. I will supply you too. Now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.